We are learning more this morning about the decision by Connecticut Children's Medical Center to wind down its gender care program for kids and teens under 19 years old.
It's part of a growing national trend that's drawn sharp criticism from both medical and political leaders. Fox 61's Priscilla Meza is joining us live in Hartford. Priscilla, good morning.
Good morning. Now, as you said, this is happening all around the country. Hospitals in LA, Chicago, and Washington, D.C. have all had to make that change, and now it's hitting Connecticut. Now, people have been divided on gender-affirming care for kids for years, and this care can include mental health and medical services to support a person's gender identity when it's different from the sex they were assigned at birth. One of those services is puberty blockers and hormone therapy. The program at Connecticut Children's does offer that for those who have reached puberty, but that treatment is controversial. And now hospitals around the country are pulling back or closing their gender care services for minors after increased federal pressure and ongoing legal uncertainty. In the last hour, we heard from Attorney General William Tong. In a statement, he says, quote, "This is about scaring patients from seeking care and scaring doctors from providing care, regardless of who is harmed and the lives that will be lost. It's unconscionably reckless and yet another disturbing intrusion of partisan politics on our private lives and choices." We also just heard from Governor Ned Lamont. He says, quote, "These decisions are not based on Connecticut values or Connecticut law. They are part of a series of relentless federal demands that have created fear, confusion, and legal uncertainty for our healthcare providers," end quote. The governor also tells us he is working closely with Attorney General Tong and hospital leaders to understand the full impact of this decision. Now, Connecticut Children's has not been given a timeline for when their services will fully stop, but a spokesperson says that every child's needs will be considered case by case. We'll continue to follow the story as it develops, of course, here in Connecticut and nationally. Live from Hartford, Priscilla Meza, Fox 61.